Picsart is a website that acts as your creative AI companion for all your design and marketing needs. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of things you can do here on Picsart. What we're going to do today, however, is I'm just going to create an infographic. So I'm going to go into this. I'm going to use this image generator that they've got to actually create it. What I'm going to say is let's go with a concept art, or better still, let's go with holographic, and let's say the image, let's say it's a future where automation rules industry, something like that. And human labor is minimal, cinematically dynamic lighting, let's say gripping, relatable texture, and yeah, let's go with that. So let's see what we get. Oh, I think I've wait, let me just click reset text. I think what I actually did is I improved it using this button here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this instead. So this is what you can do to just generate a random one. I'll leave it this and I'll just click generate. Okay, let's see what we got here.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Charming vintage inspired scene with a watercolor background featuring a bustling marketplace. Okay, interesting stuff. Let's say I'm gonna change this back to my initial one. I'm gonna say where automation rules industry. I quite like the first bit of text to describe this image actually. I'll go with cinematically dynamic lighting again. Then we'll go with gripping, relatable texture. Let me just put let your imagination run wild. Let's see what we get here. Still got it on concept art. So yeah, let's see what this is going to be like. I think the vintage inspired scene may contradict with the sort of futuristic vibe. Let's see. Okay, interesting. Yeah, this is looking pretty cool. I think you could definitely use some of these as part of the infographic. Move this down here, keep that here. Then we can move this down here, and then yeah, you can have some text maybe underneath these pieces of light. That would be interesting. But yeah, definitely check this out. I think this would be useful for anyone who regularly has to create kind of designs or images or any sort of media solution. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.